Welcome, everyone. Welcome, all our friends from all over the planet. Thank you so much for being with us. I'm really excited about what we're doing here today. This is our second month of creating the power of women's prayers. And this month, it's the power of women's prayers for compassion. And in our world, in our February world, that's Heart Month. And the Star Mothers gave me this assignment to share with the beautiful hosts of Lemurian Sisterhood sacred circles around the world. Spread a rolling wave of compassion. So, in this sacred assignment, we all are here to bring you in different languages the prayers that come through us from the stars. So I'd like to begin with a very short prayer and blessing from the Star Mothers, a channel that just is for this beautiful month of compassion. So if you would take a breath with me and come right into your heart center, allowing the breath to fill up your heart and overflow as we welcome the Star Mothers. Dear Shining Ones, we step into your sacred circle today, the circle of compassion. And yes, it is a sacred assignment for all humanity. Compassion is the very first teaching of the Star Mothers. We tell you this for those who have forgotten, or those who have wounded hearts, wounded souls. We ask you from our hearts to yours to give this prayer to the world, not just your own soul, not just your own healing, but to the world that needs your light, that needs your compassion. For truly, it is the starseed women of Mu who are here today with Meleha to bring this beautiful rolling wave of prayers, the power of prayers, the power of women's prayers for compassion. We, Star Mothers, are your cheering section, and we support you energetically, lovingly. And as your prayers go out into the world, each one in each language, the universe responds, not just your world, not just your galaxy, but the entire universe responds. It hears you. And as though you were in a big canyon somewhere, it's echoed and multiplied and goes into multiverses along with that. That is the power of women's prayers. And that is the power of having the Star Mothers behind you, around you, with you, multiplying these prayers for compassion. Take a breath with us, please. And imagine that with each breath, you breathe in your gratitude and you breathe out your compassion. So simple. Even if you did this 10 or 12 times, just sitting quietly, breathing in thanks and breathing out compassion. This creates a ripple and it lives around you. And it touches everything that the air you breathe touches. And we know you all breathe the same air. So let us give you this as some little homework to take from this session today. 12 breaths of gratitude in and compassion exhale. And feel your life be heard by the universe. Feel your prayers, your compassion be heard by the universe. And know that you are making a change. And that is what you came to do, is it not? We step back now, beloved ones, our starseed children across the planet in this sacred circle. And we congratulate each and every one of you for saying yes to the compassion that begins inside. We step back. Thank you, Star Mothers, for the beautiful message, the honor, and the surprise. And please stay with us as we go around the planet with the Star Sisters, the ShaWomen of Mu, the Lemurian Sisterhood hosts, and their prayers. Thank you.
Dear Sisters of the World, my name is Sheila, and I am the global host for the Lemurian Sisterhood, Western New York. Dear beloved Star Sisters, ShaWomen, way showers, and beautiful light workers, those who are with us now and those who will hear this later, I bring blessings and prayers from our Star Mothers and Mother Gaia. A new consciousness has arrived and a true purpose has awakened. Let us pray together that we open our hearts as channels of compassion by stepping into our divine, magnificent power. This is imprinted in our DNA. Be the compassion humanity desperately needs. Awaken to the power of you. Yes, it begins with you. Go within to your divine innate wisdom. Open your heart channel of compassion by healing yourself first. Let us release our own hurts, pains, and limiting beliefs. Learn to love without condition. Show compassion for those who still live their lives in pain, trauma, and fear. Send them heart-focused love. Talk without bad intentions and care for people without any expectation. Just pure, compassionate, loving frequency flowing through you to all in need. Let us radiate our divine power with our powerful frequency of compassion. This is our heart channel. Yes, it begins with us. My prayer for us today is to be that compassion. Shower out our compassionate love light with every breath, every step. Rain our compassion frequently of love. Believe in our magnificence. Dear Star Sisters, shine your light brightly, ShaWomen, way showers, light workers. This is why we're here. This is what we're meant to do. Namaste, and so it is.